Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You join me here at Shelsley Walsh with the M2 Competition for a very quick video. One of the things I get asked all the time ever since I've had the modification done is if we can have a sound clip bite example of what the Remus exhaust system sounds on startup, both cold and with valves closed, valves open, in comparison to what was the original exhaust. So very briefly, let's get to it. Cheers. Hi guys, hopefully you've enjoyed the footage from the Remus exhaust on the M2 Competition. That's all I've got time to film today, but very briefly, just a big thank you to Shelsley Walsh for the accommodation and to you guys for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care. Cheers.